Hello friends, welcome to Easy Homemade Projects. In today's video, I will show you that how you can make an Arduino ISP programmer to upload the Arduino code in ATtiny microcontrollers, and with the help of this programmer, we can also upgrade the bootloader of any old Arduino. Before we continue with today's video, I want to give a big thanks to JLC PCB for supporting this project. If you love building electronics like I do, JLC PCB makes it super easy to order PCBs and PCB assembly. You just upload your Gerber files, bill of material file, pick and place file, get an instant quote, and your order is placed within minutes. And when it comes to reliability, JLC PCB really stands out. They use premium A-grade materials, they have full in-house production, strict quality control, and a super fast 24-hour turnaround. That is exactly how I got the boards for today's project. All links are in the description below. Now let's get back to the build. After placing an order at JLC PCB, I received our PCBs within a few days. So here is the box. And now let me open it to show you our new PCBs. So here are our PCBs, nicely packed. As you can see, the build quality of these PCBs is really nice and perfect. These are all the components that are required to complete our programmer PCB. Here you can see 5 3mm LEDs, and here are 5 1 kilo ohm resistors for these LEDs, and here is microfarad capacitor, and here are some female header pins for the Arduino and ATtiny microcontroller. So now I will solder all these components to our new programmer PCB. Okay guys, so the component soldering is done. Here I have an Arduino Nano, and now we will need to upload an example code in this Arduino before connecting it to the programmer PCB. So now let's go to the PC screen, and then there I will show you the next procedure. We will need to open this example, Arduino ISP. And then we will simply need to upload it to Arduino. As you can see, it is uploaded successfully. Okay, so now this Arduino will be connected here. And now our programmer is complete and ready to use. Now here I have a ATtiny85 microcontroller. I will connect it here. Now we will upload an LED animation example code in this ATtiny85 microcontroller, and then we will check it with the help of these LEDs. Here I have an LED animation code, so we will upload this code in our ATtiny microcontroller. To upload the code in ATtiny microcontroller, we will need to make some changes in Arduino IDE. So first of all, we will need to go to the preferences, and then here we will need to add this link here. You can find this link in video description. So after pasting this link here, you will need to click OK. And now we will need to go to the boards manager and write ATtiny here. So you will find this one here, and you will need to install this board package. So after that, we will need to select the ATtiny85 and then we will need to set the internal clock at 8 MHz and then processor to ATtiny85 and then programmer Arduino as ISP. So after making all these changes, we will need to simply upload the code. And now the code is uploading and it is uploaded successfully. You can see the animation on LEDs. So guys, this is how you can upload the Arduino code in any ATtiny microcontroller. Okay guys, so the second function of this programmer is that we can upgrade the bootloader of any old Arduino with the help of this programmer. For example, here I have an old Arduino, so we will simply need to connect it here and then we will need to connect it with our PC. And now open the tools and make sure that programmer is set to Arduino as ISP, and after that click here on Burn Bootloader. So as you can see, it is done successfully. In this way you can upgrade the bootloader of any old Arduino. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you will like this programmer project. You can download the PCB Gerber files of this project in video description. If you like this programmer project, share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe.